Yeah. In today's video, we'll be looking at the above question. The question says solve the simultaneous equation. Give you your answer in base 2. In base 2. Base 2. Base 2. Now, if you look at this 11 plus 11y equals to 1001. 10s minus y equals to 1 1. I'll be using two methods here. The first method I'll be applying here is I will assume that everything they are in base 2, then I'll convert them to base 10. But in the process of doing this, to find x and y, I did not know the value of x, the value of y, the value of x, and the value of y in equation 1 and equation 2. So I will not be applying base 2 here, because some of us will be doing the mistake of writing base 2 here, base 2 here. No, that is not how to do it. So don't do it like that. So you put your base 2 just here. Do not put base 2 here, because this is just y standing alone. So you just put your base 2 here and here. So you take note of this when you encounter this question in your y, because this is a past y question. Now for me to convert from base 2 to base 10, 1 base 2 to base 10, this is 0 and 1. 1 times 2 to the power of 1. 1 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. So 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Equals to 2 plus 1 will give us 3. So it means that this one will be 3x plus for you to convert 11 base 2 to base 10 is nothing but what? 3. So this one will be 3y equals to, now to convert 1001 base 2 to base 10, 0 1 2 3. So this is 1 times 2 to the power of 3 plus now stop wasting your time. Anytime you see 0, anything multiplied by 0 will always give us 0. So anytime you see 0, just leave that. Now just come back here. 1 times 2 to the power of 0. 1 times 2 to the power of 0. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 8 times 1 will give us 8. Plus 2 to the power of 0 here will give us 1. 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. So 8 plus 1 will give us 9. 9. So this 10 base 2 to this 10, 0 1. 1 times 2 to the power of 1. I told you, if you anytime you see 0, just neglect that. So 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 times 1 will give us 2. So this will give us 2s minus y equals to 11 to the power of 2. 11 base 2 to base 2. I've already do that here. So that is what? 3. So this give us 3. The next thing now is as you can see, equation 1. 3, I can divide everything by 3. Yes, I can divide everything by 3. As you can see, this is 3, this is 3, and this is 9. Can divide everything by 3. So from equation 1, let me do it like this. So divide everything by 3. 3s plus 3y equals to 9 divided by 3. So this will cancel out, this will cancel out. So I will let s plus y equals to 9 divided by 3. That is 3. Equation 1. Equation 1. So from equation 2 to the 2s minus y equals to 3. So I'll be using elimination method here. As you can see, I'll just add this together. If I add this together, s plus 2s will give us 3s. Y plus minus y will be 0. This will be equals to 3 plus 3, that is what? 6. So I can find the value of s now by dividing both sides by 3. So by dividing both sides by 3, s will be equals to what? 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I can find the value of y now. Can find the value of y. You can find the value of y. So I'll just from equation 1, which is s plus y equals to 3. I'll just substitute 2 for s in equation 1. So it will be 2 plus y equals to 3. Y will be equals to 3 minus 2. So y will be equals to 1. Now, as you can see, everything we convert it to what? Base 10. And as you can notice, the value of s is 2, while the value of y is 1. We have to convert it back to what? Base 2, because the answer, the question says, give me your answer in base 2. But don't forget that this is in base what? 10. But if you have to convert to base 2, I told you that when I'm talking about base 2, your answer will be in between 0 and 1. So this y is already 1. So that is already correct. So now, but s is 2. It is only 2 value of s here that we have to convert to base 2, because 2, we just have 2 loss of base. Your answer must not be equal to your base, and your answer must not be greater than your what? Base. So if you are talking about base 2, your answer will be in between 0 and 1. If you are talking about base 3, your answer will be in between 0, 1 and 2. So take note of that. Now, here 2. So the value of s is 2, but I have to convert it back to base 2. So this is 2 and 2. This is the base 2, and this is value of s 2. I will write my remainder. 2 goes in 2. That is 1, remainder 0. 1 is not up to 2 again, so I'll just pick my answer from this part. So s here will be equals to 1, 0. So your y is equals to 1, while s is equals to 1, 0, which is what? 10. I hope you enjoyed this method. The second method now. Yeah, as you can see, we are done with the first method. The second method, it will work in base 2. Work in base 2, that is the second method. The second method is work in base 2, because the question says giving your answer in base 2. Let's go. Now, if you look at this from equation 1, you look at equation 1, we have 11 here, 11 here. I will divide through by 11. But I said you have to work in this what? Work in this 2. Yes. So this will be 11 base 2x plus 11 base 2y equals to 1001 base 2. So I will divide 2 by 11 base 2. So this will cancel out this will cancel out this. So I will left with s plus y equals to this divided by this. This is division of base. We know for we to do division of base here, you have to convert the numerator to base 10 and the denominator to base 10. Please, sorry for the noise. Just for the meantime, I know I will get my own personal place for all this, so that I will not be distracted by the noise. So yeah, you have to convert the numerator to base 10 and the denominator to base 10 before you can divide it. And after you divide it, you now convert it back to what? Base 2. I'll be doing that right here. 1001 base 2 divided by 11 base 2. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. Okay, let me just do that. I don't want to work this out again before, but I'll be doing it. So 1 times 2 to the power of 3, 1 times 2 to the power of 3, plus, I told you anytime you find 0, 0, just neglect that. So just come here, 1 times 2 to the power of 0 over 1 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. So this will be 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 8 times 1 will give us 8 plus 2 to the power of 0, which is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 over 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1. This is equals to 8 plus 1, which is 9. 2 plus 1, which is what? 3. 9 divided by 3 is nothing but what? 3. but this is in what? Base 10. So I have to bring it back to what? Base 2. So for me to bring this back to base 2, I'll just write 3, then the base and the remainder. 2 goes in 3, that is 1, remainder 1. As you can see, 1 is not up to 2 again, so I'll just pick my answer from here. So it will be 1, 1. So this one will be 1, 1, base 2. I hope you understand that. So as you can see this now, as you can see this is 10s minus y equals to 11 in base 2. I work in with everything in base 2. As you can see this 1 0 y is okay. This one is also okay. Yes. So I don't need to convert this to base 10 because you can see 1 and 0 this is the normal answer for any number in base 2, because your answer must be from 0 and 1. If you are dealing with base 3, the answer will be from 0, 1 and 2. So which is correct here. So you don't need to do anything here. So the next thing you need to do is just to add. You add using elimination method. S plus 10s to give us what? 11s. This plus this will cancel out, equals to 11 base 2 plus 11 base 2. Don't go and say 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2 is not correct. 11 base 2, 1 1 base 2 plus 1 1 base 2. So 1 plus 1 is this. Please just bear with me. Just bear with me. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And I told us that our answer must not be equal to our base and must not be what? Greater than our base. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but what? 2. 2 is equal to our base, because our base is in what? Base 2. So we just have to say 2, 2 and our remainder. 2 goes in 2, that's 1, remainder 0. So this is nothing but what? 1 and 0, which is 10. So I'll write down 0, then I'll carry my 1. I hope you understand this. So this is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is greater than our base. So we just put down 3 here. Put down the Z there. So remember. So 2 goes in 3. 2 goes in 3 is 1, remainder 1. So this is 1, 1. I hope you understand this. So this is 1, 1 0. Yes, I think now everything is now in its normal form. I can divide both sides by 11. So I divide both sides by 11. I'll divide both sides by 11 now. 11 s equals to 1 1 0. Divide both sides by 11. So this will cancel that s here. 1 1 0 divided by 11 will give us nothing but what? 10. Yes. Now I think I can find the value of y. Find the value of y. Now let's go. From equation 1, s plus y is equals to 11 in base 2. In base 2, so I'll substitute 10 for s in equation 1. So this is 10 plus y equals to 1 1. And if you can, as you can see, 1 0 is the normal value that you can have for a what? A number in base 2. You either get 0 and what? 0 and 1. This is correct. And 1 1. This is also correct. So now my y will be equals to 11 minus 10, which is equals to what? 1. You can see again that s is equals to 10. Y is equals to 1. Thank you. And guess what? The question says giving your answer in base 2. They are all in base 2 now. So I hope you enjoyed the class. You can see that the first method is also equals to we have the same answer when I use the second method. So any method that you understand best, pick it and you work with it. So I wish you all the best. Thank you. I remain your